Kinh dị like Paragon, Penang Paragon. Today is Heritage Day. Penang Heritage Day. Chico. So there's a big event here. So let's check out. Today is Penang Lang Community Day and it's happening in Paragon, Penang. There are a lot of stores and also activities happening at this moment. So let's see what is going on here. This one you all come here to support for this child cancer one. Have to see Wendy here. Did you like support a case cho nên xem hay mi draw raffle draw là nó có chỉ tiêu điều 2,000 điều cho nên xí phú ba kho cái có chọc kho. Kak, what are you selling today? What are you selling today? These are the things. Abang beca lah. This one is for abang beca mau makan one
You see this painting, okay? The painter or the artist is Ooi Viv. Representative YB Wong Hon Wai arrived at 12:15. He will be presented
today because it's KOMTAR, and the first time I paint KOMTAR, I've been honored. Dr. Ooi Viv, Chief Executive Officer, Penang Women's Development.
These are here today grace our event. We are very, very grateful and we have immense gratitude for your presence today to make this day.
This weekend program. Let's give them a round of applause. We gather here to celebrate the diversity and unity and resilience that define us as Penang Lang or Penang Guides. And Penang, with our own rich cultural heritage and dynamic spirit, has always been a beacon of harmony and progress. Our strength lies not just in our historic streets or iconic landmarks, but in the people who breathe life into this island.
Abdul for Aitam and Mr. Robert Teh and his wonderful team. Dato' Ooi Viv, Chief Executive Officer for Penang Women's Development Corporation, representatives from Hunza, Dato' Sri Lawrence Chia, co-organizers Penang Hidden Gems, Rose Charity Malaysia, Penang Today Community, Dreammakers, Hawaii Events, Blessed Entertainment, distinguished guests, friends, and fellow media friends.
To celebrate the Penang Lang Community Day at the Gurney Paragon. Today is the Heritage Day. 7th of July is a public holiday for Penang, and we celebrate Georgetown being listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 2008. So today we celebrate heritage, we celebrate arts, culture, and we also celebrate diversity.
Có Holiao lo. The whole event finished already. See everyone settled already. So we call for the day. See you at Holiao.